Hey, Geniverse, long time no see. I apologize. I've been very busy with my vanilla job. So basically, it's a job that I'm doing outside YouTubing, but basically, I'm back. And today, in Discord server of Genopets, they said that the CARV and Genopets collaboration competition has been extended for one more week. I remember I started it myself last week, but I failed to mint the SBT. So I have a chance to join in this competition again. So basically, we need to bank our game for at least one day before April 8th, 6 a.m. UTC. And then the minting will be available until April 12, 6 a.m. UTC. So as you can see, the first announcement was last week, March 26. So the price at stake is 1,000 Gene token and 1,000 ARC. So for existing Genopets users, you can join the challenge by simply connecting your Genopets and the CARV with the same Solana wallet that you use, and then bank the steps for at least one day on this particular week where they announce the competition. So this is the original article that has been produced, just in case you want to know more about the competition. So again, the prize pool is 1,000 ARC and 1,000 Gene. But the total prize pool will be for 100 people who mint the SBT. So our main objective is to get the SBT because that's our raffle ticket. And for those who are new, I had posted they just announced recently that they again opened the invitation codes for different people. So if you go to the Discord server, you can grab from the make a friend server if you want a Genopets code, or you can go to this description of this video in case the five Genopets code hasn't been used. So there's still, for those who are new, now is the time to go to the make a friend server and grab the different Genopets code. All right. Or if you like, you can also use this Geno X CARV as the invitation code. So that's again how you join if you're new to Genopets. Now, they had provided here a step-by-step process for existing CARV users. But for our case, we are existing Genopets users. So this is the step that we need to follow. Again, make sure that the Solana wallet is connected to your Genopets account. If not, refer to 1.3 above. So again, you just need to, I will be posting the link of this description so you can follow it yourself. For me, I did it on the computer, as you will see, because it's easier for me to obviously check all the details. So if you're using the computer like me, I'm using Phantom. So you simply log into the account that you're using. It should be the same Solana wallet that you're using in your Genopets app. So that's the one that you will connect on the server. So I'll just log in again because I'm already logged out. See, using the Chrome extension, so you can see my Kikapi, which is the same wallet that I'm using in the Genopets app. Okay. So again, in computer, I think it will also work if you're using the Phantom app browser. But I haven't tried, but I think it should work. So once you're logged into your wallet that you use for Genopets, you create a new profile by signing in with your Phantom wallet. So as you can see here, this is the actual CARV website. And as you can see, my wallet is already connected. Okay, so it's already connected. If not, make sure to connect using here. You can log out and then you can log in I'll just show you how you connect Solana. So just sign in. Just sign in. All right. So as you can see, the wallet has now connected. Okay. Let's check our badges. I don't have any badge. I was intrigued here. Step N is also here. I don't know how you can join, but we'll figure out in the near future. So these are the different games associated with this, but that's not our focus. Our focus is on the CARV or Genopets, should I say. All right. So after you create a profile in the CARV website, ensure you are using the same wallet for Genopets account. There's a link here for the video instructions just if you want to see. But I already showed you. You just click wallets and then connect. That's how simple it is. Okay. Now that you are already logged into the CARV website and you already link your Genopets wallet, like the Phantom wallet, all you need to do to participate is sign up for the Genopets and CARV. See the prerequisites for the participations. And then again, connect the wallet with Genopets and the CARV. And then you just need to bank at least 1 day from March 24 to 31. But obviously, this is an extended promotion. So it will be from until April 8, 6 a.m. UTC. Okay. And then after 1 day, you go back, you log in again. And then you should complete all the quests on the event. So there's other things that you need to do. So again, I will put this link as well. So the things that you need to do is I already show you how to connect your Genopets wallet. Is you need to follow Genopets on Twitter. So you just click verify. And then if you're using a, so you just authorize the app. Make sure that if you're linking your Twitter account, you should already be logged in. Oh, it's already bound. So I think it's already been used. But basically, you just click verify. And if you hadn't done, just click follow. Same with the Discord, just click verify. If you hadn't joined, just click join. So if I were you, click the first one on the first column first and then click verify. So once you've done all of that, then the next step is you need to mint your SBT or soulbound token in the CARV after 1 day that you have banked your step. Because this SBT or the soulbound token is the raffle ticket for the 1,000 Gene and the 100 ARC for 100 people to share equally. Okay, so here they remind again, remember to mint the Genopets Ready Set Go badge on the CARV platform. So we will, that's why it says here for me not qualified because I wasn't able to do all these steps and I hadn't banked them yet. Okay, so again on this page as well, they all repeated again that this SBT is the tickets toward. So your main objective is you should have a badge like this so that you will be qualified for the raffle. So they put it here, easier to understand. Number one, sign up for Genopets. If you're an existing, you don't need to sign up. And make sure to attach this wallet here on the CARV website. And then if you're new, you can use this code GENOX CARV. And then you should bank at least 1 Genopets. You should bank your steps in 1 day during the promotion. And then mint the soulbound token, SBT or soulbound token. And that's it. You will be qualifying for the raffle. So yeah, that's it, guys. I hope it's loud and clear. So again, just make sure to also do this different tasks that they put on the site. So again, all the links will be on the description of this video. just in case you wanna join. That's it, guys. It's just a free to enter competition from Genopets. I guess we all try it. Who knows? We may be lucky to be one of those 100 winners for this week. So that's it, guys. Until next time, let's go and terraform.